Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree. Been wondering just what you mean to me. Oh, Christmas tree. Honestly, it's never been much about you. Don't get me wrong.
Alright y'all, so it's been a little bit since I've done a hair tutorial, and it's also been a little bit since I've talked on camera, so here I am. Today I'm going to be trying out a new product. This is the Shea Moisture Activated Charcoal and Mint Detox and Refresh Gentle Shampoo with Ginger Extract. Yeah, I know that was a lot, but this is what it looks like. The bottle. It has activated charcoal, African water mint, and ginger extract. I got this at Burlington Outlet for $5.99. Good steal. I don't know what it is normally, but I know if it's from Burlington Outlet, it's probably a good steal. So now let's do the smell test. Wait, I don't smell anything. With the cap? Is there like a cap on it? Oh, that's why I can't smell it. All right, so let's take the cap off. Ooh, that came off really easily. Easier than I expected. But anyway, let's smell it. Ooh. Ooh, that smells good. It smells very refreshing, very cooling. It smells like some gum, like, you know, some refreshing mint gum. That's what it smells like. But anyway, I'm gonna wash my hair, maybe do like a conditioner wash. This is the state right now. I have a little bit of product buildup because I use two or three different products in my hair to keep it, you know. So, but yeah, this is what it looks like right now. I'm gonna wash all that product buildup out, and I'll be back. Whew. All right, guys, that shower was amazing. This product is amazing. You could really feel the mint. It felt like I had tea tree oil, but the mint was really refreshing. It says it really awakens your senses and bursts mint. It really awakens your senses. Like, it woke me up. It was refreshing. It felt like I had menthol on my scalp because my scalp's been a little itchy. Whenever it was a little itchy, it's time to wash it. It was a little itchy. You didn't see that, but yeah. So it feels so refreshed. It feels like it just soothes my scalp, and this is what my hair looks like now. There we go, so you can see it. A nice healthy scalp. Really deep cleaned it. Looks great. Wow. So yeah, I highly recommend this product. It's really good, and it's for all hair types. It's salt-free and color safe. Oh, just to let you know, this video is not sponsored. All opinions are my own, and of course, you know, it's not sponsored because I don't have enough viewers for that. But anyway, yes, great product, highly recommend. Now let's get started on this hair. So what I'm doing right now is I'm taking my pick and I'm just picking my hair out. RyanLittle. There you go, and this is what my hair looks like when it's all out. You see this part is taller than the other and this one's shorter. It kind of looks like a, I don't know, it kind of looks like a hat. Oh, thumbnail. Alright, so I had to reposition my camera because I wasn't really liking these angles, but I think this angle looks better than the other one. But anyway, and yeah, I know I have my microphone clipped here. I'm a beginner YouTube, y'all. I don't have that expensive equipment yet, so it's just gonna have to look like this. So alright, so let's get started for this now. This hairstyle, I'm going to do kind of like a ponytail, like maybe like a diagonal ponytael, and then the rest of the curls out. So I think that'll look cute. I am going to be using the Melanin Care Twist Elongating Style Cream. I'm going to try that. I just picked it up the other day. And I'm also going to use the Wetline Extreme Gel. I'm going to try using these two together. I heard they work pretty well together. I'm going to give it a try it in my hair. I might use this. This is one of my favorite go-to products right here. This is Every Stand Earthy Hair Essentials Simply Curls. This is the professional curling cream. I might use this on the top and then maybe put some gel on it to smooth it out. I'm not really sure, but I'll let you know what I'm going to use on the top. Meanwhile, I'm going to part my hair and then part it from ear to ear on a diagonal. So it comes like up here and then the rest will be flowy. I'm not going to show me parting it because honestly I haven't gotten down parting it in the camera, so I have to use a mirror. So I'm going to part it in the mirror and then I'll show you what I did. Alright, so I just finished parting. When you have really thick hair, parting takes forever, but this is the part. I'm not really worried about making it too even because it's going to go like this, and for the most part you're not going to really see all of this really. But like I said, I'm just trying this out, so I'm not going to try to overthink it. Alright, so the next step I'm going to do is part my hair in half in the back. And then I'm going to part it again. Like this. Part it again in a smaller section. Alright, so what I'm going to do is just add the Melanin Care. We're going to open this up. It smells kind of like, I don't know, a little woody. You can smell like the, I don't know, it just smells a little woody. It doesn't smell the best, but from what I've tried with this one, it doesn't matter. It still worked really well. So I'm gonna take a little bit of this. Alright. I'm gonna go ahead and put that in my hair. Go ahead and brush that out. Then I'm gonna take some extreme gel and put that together. Alright, so from a look at this, I don't think I'm going to be doing that combination together because it just looks a little weird. Like, I don't know if I like that because that's not the look that I'm going for. So I might just use this alone and not use the extreme gel with it because I'm not really liking how that's looking. Alright, so I washed it out. I actually just rinsed it out, dried my hair, and I think I'm just gonna go with my regular curl elixir, which is from Chadid Wajid line, the curl elixir. I'm just gonna do that in the back. I like to drench it. So see, now you see those curls. You see them curls, and I just rake it through my hair, just like so. Go. Wet it a little bit. Take some elixir, and you see I'm moving a lot faster with this one. But I just keep doing this. There we go. And I'll have some nice curls in the morning. Alright, so this is what it looks like. Don't worry, it's gonna poof up, but this is what once it dries, it's going to poof up a little bit. So that's good. And then I can shape it accordingly. Right now it looks a little lopsided because this side tends to shrink and this one side tends to stay a little elongated, but it's alright. We're going to shape that later. Pull it straight back for now. There we go. Now we're going to do this front part. And just make it nice and smooth and pull it up. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is divide this in half. Section it off, of course. Section it again. And this is how you make your hair like smooth when you like keep sectioning your hair. This is how I make, at least mine, smooth. I keep sectioning everything off. Every strand. Let's take some of that. It's been a long time since I used this stuff. I'm just going to apply it to my hair. Take the next piece, divide it, and apply product. I'm gonna take some of this product and kind of squeeze it with that because I feel like I have too much. Alright, divide it in half. I think I won't divide as many parts. I think I'll just divide it in half and just add a big gulp of it. RyanLittle. Right. So flip that ponytail. So tighter. And then, alright, so there we go. Ponytail. Get my hair out in the back. Right. So flip that ponytail. But I think I'll divide it just tomorrow. There we go. Now I'm going to take my head wrap right here, pull it over. There you go. And have the back out, and basically the back is going to dry. Alright, so yeah, that's going to basically dry overnight. And I'm going to hit the bed, clean up, and then you're going to see how it looks tomorrow.
Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree. Been wondering just what you mean to me. Oh, Christmas tree. Honestly, it's never been much about you. Don't get me wrong, I think you're great. Root of tradition we celebrate. But oh, Christmas tree, anything, it's all the people around you.
Alright y'all, so here it is. Here's the finished product. My hair. That's how it turned out. See how I got like floofier? I'm trying to make it kind of even. But see how it like poofed up? You can see my curls. Yeah. Alright, so this is the front. Let me show you the back. This is what the back looks like. So unfortunately, I wasn't able to show the footage of this morning of me taking out the style. But basically, I took my scarf off and I took my pick and floofed it up a little bit. I went in there and floofed up my hair. And then I also put this on as a finishing touch. Sure, we're gonna get a close up of this. Yes, you see those waves? You see that shine? That's not like build up, y'all. That's like shine. Right there. Yes, look at that shine. Look at that. And then this is the definition. Alright, so I hope you like this look. I gotta style a little bit better, but this is my first time trying this out. I think it turned out pretty cute. It didn't turn out bad. I think for upkeep, I am going to part the back in 3 parts and put it into like braids, maybe 3 braids or 3 twists. I'm not really sure. I'm gonna do the same with the top so I can keep the curls. Spray with some water the next day, and then I do the shingle method, or you know, the fanning method, where you know you spray it and then you just pull it downward, and that elongates the curls and gets them their definition. Alright y'all, so that concludes my hair tutorial. If you like seeing content like this, like hair tutorials, room tours, all sorts of other cool content, make sure you like, subscribe, and make sure you leave a comment, guys. Leave a comment below and let me know how I'm doing. Alright? See you next time.